Good morning from Pangalo Island in Bohol, Philippines. Everyone is here. Everyone is going out on the tour boats, the island hopping and the scuba diving. I am having my morning coffee. It is about 6:30 in the morning. There is much activity. It looks like a beautiful day. It looks like a beautiful day. I just ordered my coffee. I am waiting patiently. Oh, she's doing something. I am here. I am awake. It is 6:45 on Wednesday, November, I think it's the 26th, 2019. Like and subscribe from the Philippines. Like and subscribe. Lots of fun, lots of people, lots of activity. I am at the Aquatic Hotel, Aquatica Beach Resort. So much fun. So much fun. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe.